Today I went to a cooking class.
Wow! We are unique. Professional.
You are a professional? Smells good. Faster, So when will you eat the food? At lunchtime? You can eat in your class? In school, they have no restaurant. So they eat their food, they bring their food, or they get food and they take it to their classroom to eat. Just left the junior high Western cuisine class, and now I've been told I can walk around and explore the school a bit because I'm already inside, but the lunch is inside their classroom, so I'm going to see if I can find, oh, here's a procedure with the lunch. 每个教室有一个盒子 OK 3个盒子然后在教室里孩子们同学们会吃饭。对。So the students bring the containers, and then the staff will, the staff will then provide the students with the containers for their food, like this, not this exactly, but like this, so then they can eat in their classrooms. And they tell me that they clean up, each student cleans up afterwards. Unfortunately, I was able to come to this class, come to this school.